Drop it down. Good. Hello folks, welcome to my garage. Tonight we are doing live testing with the Blackwall Carabiner here. And we're going to test different diameter ropes and cord, right? The smallest one being 80-pound fishing line, and the thickest one, I don't know what it's supposed to measure at when you buy it, but when I take my calipers to it, it is 11.21 there, 12.09 there. I'm guessing it's supposed to be 12 millimeter. But let's see how this works. We are lifting a 5-gallon can of fuel, gasoline. All right. This is static climbing rope. I got it at REI, and it is at the max diameter that this thing will handle. So let's poke it through the eye there. And I'm going to tie it in with a bowline, as I will do with all the other cords that we're testing out tonight. Okay, let's do our bite here. Put our loop through, pass it back over. Now the main point is that you get the rope into the notches so that it doesn't fall out before you put tension on it. So let's see how this goes. Looks pretty good. Drop it down. Alright, that one worked out. Undo it. Okay, next we have, this is 5/16 Paramax. It's just like paracord, but it is a whole lot thicker. Alright, here we go. Good. Here is the 1/4-inch Paramax. Same drill. Good. All right, now we are at paracord. I think this is 5/32. This stuff feels really small compared to all the other stuff we were just using. But who doesn't love paracord, right? Okay. Good. Alright, now I'm going to try this fishing line. If you can even see it in my hand there, this is 80-pound fishing line. Focus, there you go. I'm going to put some gloves on for this one. I have no idea if this is going to work or not, but might as well give it a try. hard enough to tie a knot in this stuff so small. There we go. Okay, I got my bow line in there. Let's see here. What just failed? I was excited for that one. Well, it looks like everything's still intact. So it looks like it slipped out. Let's try that one more time. And it looks like that's the way it's supposed to be. Again, it's difficult to tell because of how thin the line is. Oh, that's heavy. Alright. Now this one, it looks like it got tangled in somehow. Like it tied itself into a knot. So I'm sure if I kept on messing around with this stuff, I would be able to get a successful run out of it. But if you're using sport fishing line to lower something down, might as well use your fishing pole, right? Well, there you have that. We went through the 12mm, the 5/16, the 1/4 inch, the paracord, and the fishing line. I would say the fishing line's a failure. But all this other stuff worked pretty well, in my opinion. Alright folks, thanks for tuning in.